said that biofuels, that CBG is already being used and it's no longer just a pilot project.
Which one?
That compressed biogas, you said.
No, compressed biogas, we have 113 plants already, and we have another 73 under construction. And you see, compressed biogas ka kya hota hai? You need land, you need to so it was not taking hello high. What has happened is that we have 113 plants already operating, and if you look at the car models coming on the market, the newer models, a lot of CNG model. So that's a success story. We need to accelerate it.
So what's the degree of import substitution we intend to undertake?
No, it's very difficult. You see, today we are running against all statistics, because what happens is that even with cylinder gas, okay, today we've got 33 crore 50 lakh connection. Under Ujjwala, we've got 10 crore 50 lakh connection, but we still import cylinder gas, LPG, about 60% from outside. Our refineries are going to produce more. We are going to do more. But, as we are trying to increase our E&P, in natural gas, yes, our production is going up by 18% a year, but there also we are still about 50% importing. So a country like India, which has these challenges, we are moving in the direction of self-sufficiency or Atmanirbharta, but it's going to take time. Meanwhile, we will import also, we will increase our production also, and we've diversified our import sources, and we have...
30,000 crores.
No, it's a very... Yes, what comment do you want on that? I said it's on biofuels. No, this was expected because in 2023, अरे यार वो भी बैठा है, but 2020, okay, let me do it this way. In 2022 October, the oil marketing companies had actually had under recoveries of 28,000. I think we gave them 22, 21 or 22. Yeah, absolutely right. This time they had about 41. We are giving them 30. Yeah, that's it.
So it will come through grants or contingency fund?
No, I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. You know
so
what.
It will come through grants or contingency fund. Is that finalized? How will
Which
it
one?
The under recoveries?
Relax. So that's it. I'm on biofuels just now. You come to me separately. I'll give you an answer. नहीं, किसानों को देखिए ऐसा है, मैंने बताया ना, जब से बायोफ्यूल की योजनाएं जब से उनकी शुरुआत हुई है, मुझे लगता है तब से लेके अभी तक कोई किसानों को 1,40,000 करोड़ तो हमने इंपोर्ट में बचा और हमने कोई 1,20,000 जो है किसानों को दिया है। और आने वाले समय भी तो इसकी जो क्या फायदे हैं, एक तो टॉक्सिसिटी कम, फॉसिल फ्यूल की जगह ये दिस प्रोड्यूसेस cleaner working environment, cleaner output. Number 2, you're saving on the import bill. Then you're passing on to the farmers. So as a farmers का मैंने ये कहा था, to say that this is the only thing done for the farmer would not be correct, because the Honorable Prime Minister has got a comprehensive program where money is going into the direct account of the farmer, money is coming to them indirectly through the MSP, so many other projects, and so they are being helped on the fertilizer, and this is one. But today, this has become an integral part of the rural support system.
So when on stage you said we are not going to talk about fiction.
What do you mean fiction? You know the difference between fiction and reality, so...